What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be part of a segment I think I'm going to call 2-minute pro tips with Tim Hopkins. And basically it's going to be about me as someone who's going to graduate in May, giving you some pro tips on college life and what you can expect and what you can do to make things easier for yourself. So with that little exposition quickly out of the way, the first pro tip I'm going to give you is time management, because time management is incredibly important when it comes to getting things done in college. Now that may be a little confusing to you, because what does it mean to time manage? Like, if you have a job and you have a family and you have this, that, and the other along with school, what does time management mean? Well, that means taking all of those things and accumulating them and finding out what goes in what section of time, what is the most optimized in what place. So if you wake up early in the morning and you know you go to your work at, let's say, 2 p.m. to like 9 p.m., say, well, if you wake up early, start your schoolwork early. Because you know after work, let's be real, after work you're not going to want to do schoolwork. So do the things that require less physically laborious energy and orient the things that get your brain working. Plus, in my experience, I find that kind of activity can make your work days easier for you. If you start your day out early and you started out thinking and having to, be studious, well then your brain's already live in action for when you go to work. So I use that short little example to kind of pace this along, because I'm trying to learn how to do this within 2 minutes. Otherwise, it's not 2-minute pro tips. But yeah, time management is incredibly vital. So I guess that's tip number one, is learn to prioritize your time in a way that's functional, is healthy for you, and helps you get things done. And I guess since this is the pilot episode, we're going to go a little over 2 minutes, because I feel like I just kind of rushed through this. But I intend to film this relatively vlog style, which is why you see the camera moving with me. But yeah, let's do a little quick wrap up. So I'm very leaned back in my chair. So basically, to wrap this up, it's important to know how to manage times, yes, but what comes with knowing time management is knowing yourself. You have to know your limitations. In order to make college work for you, you've got to know you. So it's a little trial and error in the beginning, but once you get it down, it's a rhythm. And that's not just for insert semester here, senior, freshman, it doesn't matter. Once you learn yourself and you learn what parameters work for you as a student, just make that a schedule. If you make it a schedule and you make it a habit to work in a certain pattern, and you have the means to keep that pattern, college is a breeze. Just learn your boundaries, set those boundaries with yourself. Sometimes it's important to have a healthy boundary or two with yourself. And just dedicate your time management healthily. And yeah, that's episode 1. I guess in episode 2 we're going to talk about how to make friends in college, or how to be more social in college. It's a pretty intimidating place. So we'll get into that next time. Thanks for watching.